Here's the truth nobody tells you about retirement. You don't have to wait until 65 to quit your job forever. While most people will work for 40+ years, there's a growing movement of ordinary people retiring in their 30s and 40s, and they're not lottery winners or tech millionaires. In the next 6 minutes, I'll reveal the 7 strategies they use to escape the 9-to-5 trap decades early, including one method that can cut 20 years off your working life. But first, let me blow your mind with this number. If you can save 25 times your annual expenses, you never have to work again, ever. Spend 40,000 a year, you need $1 million invested. Spend x60,000, you need 1.5 million. This is called the 25 times rule, and it's the foundation of every early retirement success story. Now, let's dive into exactly how to get there. Strategy 1. Master the aggressive savings rate. Here's why this matters. Most financial advisors tell you to save 10-15% of your income. At that rate, you'll work for 40+ years. But if you can save 50% or more, you can retire in 15 to 17 years. What it is, living on significantly less than you earn and investing the difference aggressively. Your practical step. Track every expense for 1 month. Find the biggest money drains, usually housing, transportation, and food. Challenge yourself to cut 20% from each category. The couple who retired at 33, they lived on 40,000 while earning 130,000. That 70% savings rate bought them decades of freedom. And this next strategy lets you live for free while building wealth. Strategy 2. House hacking. Why this matters. Your biggest expense is probably housing. What if you could eliminate it completely while building equity? What it is, buy a duplex, triplex, or house with extra rooms. Live in one unit, rent out the others. The rental income covers your mortgage, taxes, and maintenance. Practical step. Start browsing multi-unit properties in your area. Look for places where rent from other units covers 75-100% of the total mortgage payment. Brandon started with a duplex at 23. The rental income covered his mortgage completely. 5 years later, he owns 4 properties, and his housing is essentially free forever. But what if real estate isn't your thing? Strategy 3. Geographic arbitrage. Why this matters. You can instantly boost your savings rate by 30-50% without earning more money. What it is, earning a high cost of living salary while living in a low cost of living area. Remote work has made this incredibly accessible. Practical step. Research cities or countries where your dollar goes further. Consider remote-friendly places like Austin, Raleigh, or even international locations like Portugal or Thailand. Sarah kept her 85,000 San Francisco tech salary, but moved to Nashville. Her rent dropped from $3,200 to $1,200. That extra $2,000 monthly goes straight to investments. 24,000 more per year toward early retirement. This next strategy can double your timeline to freedom. Strategy 4. Build multiple income streams. Why this matters. You can only cut expenses so much, but income has no ceiling. Extra income streams accelerate your retirement timeline exponentially. What it is, creating 2 to 3 additional income sources beyond your day job side businesses, freelancing, rental income, or digital products. Practical step. Choose one skill you already have and monetize it. Web design, writing, consulting, tutoring. Start small and scale up. Mike kept his engineering job but started a weekend consulting business. That extra $2,000 monthly reduced his retirement timeline from 20 years to 12 years. But here's where most people make a huge mistake with their investments. Strategy 5. Optimize your investment strategy. Why this matters. Investment fees might seem small, but they can cost you hundreds of thousands over decades. What it is, investing in low-cost, broad market index funds instead of actively managed funds or individual stock picking. Practical step. Open accounts with Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Invest in total stock market index funds with expense ratios under 0.1%. Set up automatic investing. The math is brutal. A 1% fee difference costs you 100, 0 plus on a 500, 0 portfolio over 20 years. Low-cost index funds consistently beat 90% of actively managed funds. This strategy alone can save you 50, 0 plus in taxes. Strategy 6. Master tax-advantaged accounts. Why this matters. Taxes are probably your biggest expense. Minimizing them legally can save you decades of work. What it is, maximizing contributions to 401(k)s, IRAs, HSAs, and other accounts that reduce your current taxes or eliminate future taxes. Practical step. First, contribute enough to your 401k to get the full company match. Then max out a Roth IRA, 7-0 for 2025. Finally, increase your 401k contribution by 1% each year. Lisa saved out 12-0 annually in taxes by maxing out her retirement accounts. That's like getting a 12-0 raise without asking for one. Strategy 7. Use the Coast Fire method. Why this matters? You don't need the full 25 times to reduce work stress. You just need enough invested early that compound interest does the heavy lifting. What it is: investing aggressively in your 20s and 30s, then coasting on compound growth until traditional retirement age. Practical step. Calculate your Coast Fire number using online calculators. If you invest 300 by age 35, you're financially secure at 65 even if you never save another dollar. This takes the pressure off and gives you freedom to pursue passion projects or lower stress careers. Here's the reality. Early retirement isn't about being lucky or extreme, it's about being strategic. Every single strategy I just shared is being used by thousands of ordinary people who refuse to accept 40+ years of work as inevitable. Save this video so you can implement these strategies step by step. Share it with someone who's ready to take control of their financial future. And if you want the exact numbers and calculations for each strategy, subscribe and watch my next video where I break down 3 real early retirement case studies, including exactly how much they saved each year. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. The question is, will you look back grateful or with regret?